The Middle East remains on edge as Iran continues its counterattacks following US-Israeli air raids targeting its leadership. Iran's security chief Ali Larijani, who was also an advisor to the country's former supreme leader, said Tehran will not negotiate with the United States. He made the comment in a post on X in response to reports that Iran was trying to revive talks with Washington. Larijani also accused US President Donald Trump of plunging the Middle East into chaos with his delusional fantasies, saying Trump now fears more American troop casualty. Explosions were reported in Jerusalem after the Israeli military said it had identified missiles launched from Iran, prompting air raid sirens. There were no immediate reports of direct impacts, and the blast may have resulted from interception attacks. The Gulf region experienced another day of unrest with loud explosions reported in Dubai, Doha, and Manama. AFP reporters confirmed multiple blasts across the Qatari and Bahraini capitals as well as in the United Arab Emirates. Iran-backed forces in Iraq were also expected. A source from the pro-Iranian armed group Kataib Hezbollah reported that 3 strikes hit the Jarf al-Nasser military base, a significant site for the group that has faced repeated attacks since the start of the US-Israel campaign. In Kuwait, air defense personnel intercepted a majority of drones approaching the capital, targeting areas around Salwa and Hawar. Brigadier General Mohammad al-Mansouri said Kuwaiti forces neutralized the threats at dawn, according to the Kuwait news agency. In Lebanon, the Israeli military began striking Hezbollah positions across the country, with explosions reported in the southern suburbs of Beirut, a Hezbollah stronghold. Residents of South Lebanon fled by car after the strikes, with heavy traffic leaving the city of Sidon and families carrying mattresses on their vehicles to escape the area. Lebanese President Joseph Aoun criticized both the Israeli attacks and Hezbollah's rocket launches, warning that Lebanon's use as a platform for regional conflict exposes the country to significant risks. In response to Iran's missile and drone strikes, the United States, alongside Bahrain, Jordan, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates, issued a joint statement condemning the escalation. The statement describes Iran's actions as a dangerous escalation that endangered the civilians and reaffirmed the right of the countries involved to defend themselves.